Movie na si Angela Muji. Hi, Muji! Kamusta naman ang video rounds? Okay na kapag madaling araw?
Masaya po. Actually, nag-enjoy po talaga ako and excited po ako dito.
Oh, cute! How are you adjusting so far sa limelight? Dahil simula nung seducing Drake Palma, of course, with Robin Angeles, grabe ang pagsabog ng iyong social media, yung mga kaliwat kanan ng mga fan edits.
Yeah, actually, natutuwa nga po ako kasi ang dami pong nagsusuporta sa amin. And in terms of adjusting sa limelight, actually, I don't feel that way na parang nag-iba yung buhay ko totally.
Oo.
Parang ganun pa din po, same pa din po. Ang nag-iba lang po maybe is yung dumami po lalo yung fans. And for me naman po, I'm just staying the same as before. You know?
Oh, yes. And like of course, your colleagues in Viva.
Yes.
Galing ka rin sa girl group. Can you
Of
talk to us about that?
I came from P-pop generation back in 2018 and then we disbanded in 2023.
Uh-huh.
And then after that, I also joined another girl group. It's called SAS. It's a trio.
Ooh.
We ended after one single and then after that, nag-join po ako sa isa pa ulit na girl group. Sinta naman po yun. So after Sinta, nag-acting na po ako, which is yung sa last year po, yung sa Ang Mutya ng Section E as Raki.
Oo.
Opo.
And now, ikaw na syempre, no, dito sa ang leading lady sa sa seducing Drake Palma. Pero grabe rin yung resilience mo bilang isang artist. Imagine from one girl group to another. What kept you going?
The reason why I want to keep going is because ito po talaga yung pangarap ko. Like, I don't think, it's time to back out. Kasi nandito na ako eh. Ang lapit ko na. Like, I'm so near. And when times are so tough na parang gusto ko na lang, pagod na ako, gusto ko na
Oo.
sumuko. Parang I just keep going and going and going. And this is it. I don't want to back out now. This is my
Wow.
dream talaga since I was little po.
Wow. Are you studying at the moment?
Yes po, I'm studying po communication.
Wow! Hindi na nalalayo.
Yes po,
Diba?
hindi na nalalayo.
Oh, wait lang. Pero may nakita ako screenshot kagabi. Nakakaloka yung screenshot.
Screenshot? Okay.
Actually, hindi scene shot.
Scene
Diba?
shot.
Na parang nakahalik na sa ilong mo si Robin dun eh. Ano ba yun? Pakikwento naman.
Okay, so this is one of my favorite parts sa libro nung binasa ko po siya. It's the I'm Territorial scene. So, dito kasi nag-white lie si Alice. Sabi niya na may first kiss na siya, which is si Sheen. Pero hindi talaga. Nagsanos naman si Drake.
Oh.
So, ang ginawa ni Drake, kinis niya everywhere si Alice except sa lips. Tapos parang sinabi niya, okay lang, kahit di mo ko first kiss, first ako here, everywhere else.
Oh my God! Kaya pala nakita natin yung mga personally hindi ko siya pinabangan ko sa TV5,
Yes,
di ba?
pa.
Pero eto na, yung mga comments sinabi nila, it was executed. I think there's an important comment for the producers and directors as well na na-execute daw ng bonggang-bongga yung kilig. Kung paano nila nabasa sa Wattpad at na-translate sa screen. Wow! Dahil rin yan syempre sa chemistry nyo ni Robin Angeles, which, by the way, you guys are becoming closer.
Yes po, of course. Hindi ko naman po madadenay na mas nagiging close po kami as each day goes by. Kasi po, hindi po talaga kami nakapag-work before. Pero now, parang every time na magkikita kami, parang mas nagiging close po.
What do you love about Robin?
What I love about Robin is that he's funny and he's always friendly towards everyone. Like, kahit kasi when you're on set and
Oo.
when pagpatapos na pero medyo nawalan ka na ng energy, he would randomly make jokes na parang, uy, ganyan. And then, parang
Tawa-tawa ka naman.
Nakakatawa po.
Yes,
Nakaka-light na po.
bentang-benta kay Angela.
Yes, mabenta po siya sa akin.
Ito, tatawa ka na ngayon. I love it. At mamaya, syempre, may fan event kayo, 3 o'clock sa Launchpad. Ano yung expect natin?
We're expecting some fun activities, I think.
Yeah.
I'm not so sure myself.
Saan pupunta ka doon? Dadalhin ka doon? Promote ka?
Yes po. Yun.
I love it. But of course, with Seducing Drake Palma being on Free TV, this is of course another, talagang another world, di ba? Na
Yes.
another audience to tap. Ano lang gusto mo sabihin sa ating mga fans na nag-aabang syempre sa TV5?
Hi guys! So malapit nyo na pong mapanood for free ang Seducing Drake Palma sa TV5. Sana po, Sana po magustuhan niyo po siya at ma-enjoy niyo po because we really poured our hearts out into this. All of us po, the producers, the production, everyone, the director, from us po, sobrang ano po siya, passion project din. Ay, not passion project, but like, it is filled with passion and love, yun po.
Oh, wow. At syempre, abangan ang karakter mo doon, di ba? Talagang, oo, ang bagong sweetheart ng bayan din. Si Angela Muji. Thank you so much. Si Dusing Drake Palma after Frontline Pilipinas po yan starting Monday.
Yes po.
Starting Monday. At yan muna ang latest sa showbiz. Balik sa'yo, Cheryl.
Thank you, MJ. At yan po ang mga